Unboxing this Remax 3-in-1 USB equals Type-C plus iPhone plug, the pin, iPhone pin plug, and micro plug. So let's start. Oh yeah, it's fast charging. USB to your plug, and there's plug for iPhone, micro, and Type-C. Type-C is for Androids, Huawei, Samsung, Honor, and other Android cell phone. So let's unbox. This is from Remax 3-in-1 plug. This is the USB Remax Violets, and this is the plug, 3-in-1 USB plug. So this is for plug for iPhone. This is the plug, micro, and Type-C. So you can get this Remax 3-in-1 USB with Type-C, micro, and for iPhone at Shopee, Lazada, TikTok, and other gadget stores. Happy shop!